Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are going to talk about one of my favorite protective styles, cornrows ponytail braids. This style is sleek, versatile and always on trend, perfect for any occasion. I will be sharing some creative hairstyle ideas and tips on how to maintain your cornrow ponytail so it lasts longer and stays fresh. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the benefits of rocking a cornrow ponytail. Not only is this style protective, it is also super practical. One of the best things about cornrows is that they keep your hair tucked away and reduce the amount of daily manipulation, which is great for promoting healthy hair growth. Cornrows are low maintenance. Once you have them done, you don't need to worry too much about your hair for the next few weeks. And whether you are going for a casual, everyday look or dressing up for a special event, the ponytail makes it versatile. It also works for different face shapes and hair textures, making it one of the most inclusive styles out there. Now let's dive into some gorgeous cornrows ponytail hairstyle ideas to inspire your next look. Classic cornrow ponytail. This is the go-to style. The sleek straight back cornrows lead into a high ponytail, giving you that effortlessly chic vibe. Zigzag pattern cornrows. If you want to switch it up a little, try zigzag cornrows. This pattern adds a fun twist and gives your ponytail an edgy modern look. Feed-in cornrows ponytail. For those of you who love volume, try feed-in braids. You can add hair extension to create fuller, longer braids, making your ponytail stand out even more. Braided bun with cornrow base. For a more sophisticated look, wrap your ponytail into a braided bun. This is perfect for formal events or even work days when you want to keep things neat and elegant. Accessorize cornrows ponytail. And if you want to take your look to the next level, don't forget the accessories. Beads, gold cuffs, and colorful bands can transform a simple style into something truly unique. Now let's talk about how to maintain your cornrows ponytail so it stays fresh and fabulous for weeks. First off, you want to make sure your hair stays moisturized. Use a light leave-in conditioner or a braid spray that hydrates without weighing down your braids. Focus on your scalp to keep it nourished. At night, it's important to protect your style by wrapping it in a silk or satin scarf or using a satin pillowcase. This will prevent frizz and help your braids last longer. Avoid using heavy oils or creams as they can cause build-up. Instead, go for lighter oils like jojoba or almond oil to keep your scalp healthy without clogging pores. Another great tip is to gently clean your scalp every 1 to 2 weeks. You can use a diluted shampoo or even dry shampoo to avoid build-up and keep your scalp feeling fresh. Finally, don't forget about your edges. Use an edge control gel to keep them sleek and laid. This small touch can make your hairstyle look brand new again. When it's time to take your braids down, you want to make sure you do it gently to avoid damaging your hair. Start by applying a detangler or oil to soften the braids, making them easier to unravel. Take your time. Rushing can lead to breakage. Once your braids are out, be sure to follow up with a deep conditioning treatment to restore moisture and strength to your natural hair. Your hair will thank you for it. That's all for today, guys. Cornrows ponytail braids are not just a hairstyle, they are a statement. With the right care and maintenance, this look can last for weeks while protecting your natural hair. Whether you are going for the classic straight back style or something more creative with accessories, there is a cornrow ponytail for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing hairstyle inspiration, or tap the notification bell so you never miss out. Let me know in the comment section which cornrows ponytail style you'll be trying next. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.